What you want to do is you want to go ahead and make photo collage out of multiple photos that you may have. So if you want to go ahead and do that, you can utilize a tool called Photocollage Maker from Pixlr. So to access the tool, you need to go around over here onto the address bar and type in pixlr.com right here. And once you do that, you get to the home page of Pixlr. You can go around, and if you haven't signed in, you can go ahead and create a free account as well, so that whatever you work with is saved online. Otherwise, you can work with Pixlr even without signing in as well. In my case, I'm signed in and I want to go ahead and create out a photo collage. So over here on the left hand side on the feature section, you can see that Photo Collage Maker is an option. If you were to go to more, then you got more tools right here that you can use, as you can see as well. Let me just go to the Photo Collage Maker, which is what I'm interested in. And over here you can see that I got carousel mode and single mode. I can go ahead and choose either one as I move along. So now the next thing I may want to do is add in the pictures that I want to make the collage out of. So I'm going to simply click on Browse. And then you can go ahead and click on this button right here. And then you can go ahead and then select out the picture that you want right here and click on Open. And all of those pictures that you want to make the collage out of is loaded out right here just like this. So once this is loaded out, go ahead and let's say, for example, you can remove out the one that you don't want or add in more as you want as well. And then click on Add the selected right here. And as you do that, what happens is that you immediately get a collage right here just like this. So right now I'm in single mode, that is I only have a single image. And there are many presets as you can see right here with the collage, and immediately you can see that it starts looking interesting. You can go around over here on the bottom as well, and then you can see that you can go ahead and choose the one that you want. So you can see that these are the image that you have right here just like this. You can go ahead and click and drag it. You can go ahead and zoom it, place it wherever you want as well. You can go ahead and click and drag it right here just like this. So you can go ahead and zoom it and place it. Let's say, for example, I got this one, so let's just go ahead and zoom it, click and drag it as I want. So you can go ahead and choose the one style that you want right here. You can go ahead and let's say, for example, change the aspect ratio of the collage as well. So you can go for portrait or post or story or wide or square as you want. You can go around over here onto the color and change the color as well. So that actually goes ahead and changes out the color right here of the edges as you can see. You can go around over here onto space and then choose no space, a small space, or medium, or large space right here as well. You can go ahead and change the in-between space and the border separately as well, and change around the color as you want, just like this. So apart from that, you can even go ahead right here and let's say, for example, change it to wide right here and save the collage if you're happy. So just like this, you can see that you can go ahead and download it out in an image format, which is PNG right here just like this. Apart from that, now you can see the photos. You can even go ahead and add in more images if you want to. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and add in this image as well. Click on Add Selected, then you got 6 images. Or you can go ahead and remove off the images if you don't want them out as well, just like this. So this is one way to make collage, and the other type of collage that you have is a carousel, which actually goes ahead and then creates out collage, which is in a long form right here, and gets let's say, for example, divided out in multiple images. For example, you got one image right here, and then you got another image right here, and then you got another image right here. You can go ahead and export it out separately right here, just like this. You can go ahead and select out the format for it from the bottom as well. So you can go around over here, and this is what you have as you can see. You can go ahead and change around. Let's add in an image right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and add this one, and this is what you have. You can go ahead and change this out to portrait or story, as you can see right here, and then you can go ahead and, let's say for example, choose around the color for it as well. So this is what you have. Apart from that, you can go around and change out the space just like we did for the single image right here, and you can go ahead and change around the corner style as you want as well. Even in the single, you can see that you can go ahead and change the corner style as you want, to round or maybe square as you want. In the carousel as well, you have this option. So now you can go ahead and then remove out the slide so that you only have 1 or 2 right here, or add in more slide right here just like this, so that you got multiple let's say divisions of the image as well. And you can go ahead and save out all by using zip as well. I'm out of my daily free saves, but daily you will have a certain number of free saves that you can go ahead and download, and they will be downloaded as separate images. So this is basically how you can go ahead and then utilize Photocollage, let's say with Photocollage Maker in Pixlr easily. So hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.